In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or remove the Welcome to Microsoft 365 Copilot window on Windows 11. If that welcome window keeps appearing and you want a cleaner, less distracting desktop experience, this process will help you turn off the visible Copilot shortcut, stop it from launching automatically, and use a policy setting to prevent Windows Copilot from opening. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by right-clicking on your Windows 11 taskbar and choosing Taskbar Settings. This opens the personalization area where Windows lets you control what appears on the taskbar. Look for the section called Taskbar Items, then find the Copilot toggle switch and turn it off. This removes Copilot from the taskbar, which is a good first step if you no longer want quick access to it. Next, open Task Manager by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. When Task Manager appears, click the Startup Apps icon in the left-hand menu. This section shows programs that are allowed to launch when Windows starts. In the list, look for Copilot or Microsoft 365. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Disable. This helps prevent the welcome window or related app behavior from starting automatically in the background when you sign in. After that, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type gpdit.msc and press Enter. This opens the Local Group Policy Editor, which includes more advanced Windows settings. In the left panel, go to User Configuration, then open Administrative Templates, click Windows Components, and select Windows Copilot. Take your time here because the menu path is specific and you'll want to be in the correct section before changing anything. Now double-click the setting called Turn Off Windows Copilot. In the window that opens, set it to Enabled, then click Apply and click OK. This may sound a little backwards at first, but enabling this policy actually turns Copilot off, which is exactly what you want in this case. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process and stop the welcome window from opening automatically. A restart makes sure all of the changes you applied take effect properly across Windows. Once your PC starts back up, you should have a much more distraction-free desktop without that recurring Copilot welcome screen. Thank you for watching and enjoy your distraction-free desktop.